Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Surfside Family Suite onboard Icon of the Seas. Now this suite is on deck 10 and it's room 10293. So if you're interested in booking this or you were just considering booking this room, let's go actually look at it and help you decide whether or not this is the right room for you right now. So as we walk into the suite, I want you to see the layout and realize it's not that big. Now over here where you can see this lovely lady from Royal Caribbean standing, you can see that is your vanity area. Next to that, you're gonna have your in-suite coffee maker. And then that is all the closet storage you get in this suite here. Behind the door is a half bath, which I will show you in a moment. But let's look at the actual suite itself. So you're gonna have the bed for the parents here, or the adults if you will, right here. And across from that is the exit to the balcony. Now you can see there's not a lot of walking room to get around the bed. The nook straight ahead is actually where the children sleep, and you can see this converts to a couch or to a bed depending on what you need for the moment, but it's neat because it does give them a safe area to go hang out at, play, and you can close those curtains. They have their own space, but there is no exit to the balcony from there, so you don't have to worry about them being in any kind of danger, but they can see out onto Surfside, which I love. So back over here, you can see this is a normal sized balcony. It's not that big. You see the balconies across from it. It's just a standard balcony. So while you are paying for a suite, you're not getting one of those super nice suite balconies. Now, like we were talking about earlier, you can see you have 3 drawers and then you have a shorter hanging area and a long hanging area. Behind that is the half bath. This is literally just gonna be your toilet and your sink. What is nice is if somebody needs to shower while somebody else needs to use the restroom, you can do that. And then across from the front door is going to be the shower area with another sink. So it is pretty nice for a family to have kind of 2 separate bathrooms to use at the same time. But as you can tell, this isn't exactly a giant suite and there isn't a ton of storage. So is this the right suite for you? Well, that really comes down to just a couple questions. Do you need a lot of room? Because this isn't a lot of room. Do you need a lot of storage? Because this does not have a lot of storage. And then 3 for me would be the balcony. Do you need a super large balcony? Because if you want that sweet balcony experience with a hot tub or just with like a table and chairs out there to be able to have dinner, this isn't that either. What this is a great room for families that just want an extra little bit of room to spread out, a private area for their kids, and 2 bathrooms is really nice. To have that 1 separate half bath and then a shower and a sink over here is just a really nice touch. And then of course, you're gonna get some of the amenities that come with staying in a suite, like access to coastal kitchen. So if you're just looking for a little bit of an upgraded experience, then this might be the room for you. Either way, if you have more questions or you're ready to book, remember you can always use a QR code here to have Amy book the perfect cruise on the perfect itinerary for you, maybe even in the Surfside Family Suite. As always, we appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for watching the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next one.